Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best grain-free dog treats is probably one of the most debated topics among dog owners today, with many seeking alternatives to traditional grain-based snacks for their beloved canine companions. As our furry friends become integral members of our families, ensuring their health and well-being through their diet takes center stage, prompting a closer look at the ingredients that go into their treats and the potential impact on their digestion, energy levels, and overall vitality. This shift towards grain-free options reflects a growing awareness of individual dietary needs and sensitivities in dogs, much like in humans, leading many to explore the benefits of formulations that exclude common grains like corn, wheat, and soy. Number 5. Blue Buffalo Wilderness Trail Treats Wild Bit Salmon Recipe. These delicious treats are made with real salmon as the very first ingredient. It's a taste your dog will absolutely love. Our treats are completely grain-free, meaning they contain no gluten. They are packed with protein for your active dog. Each bite is rich in omega-3 and 6 fatty acids. They are also formulated with DHA to support cognitive development. You can feel good about giving these natural treats. They contain no poultry byproduct meals, corn, wheat, or soy. These small, protein-rich bites are perfect for training. They are made with real meat for a taste dogs can't resist. This convenient 10-ounce bag features our popular salmon recipe. It's the perfect way to reward your furry friend. What we like? If your dog loves the taste of fish, this is the treat for them. It's made with real salmon as the first ingredient and is packed with omega-3 and 6 fatty acids. If you are looking for a treat that also supports brain health, this is a great choice. What people say. My dog loves these treats and they are grain-free, which is great for his sensitive stomach. These treats are made with natural ingredients and are a healthy option for my dog. The size of the treats is perfect for training and my dog can easily chew them. Number 4. Charlee Bear Crunch Grain-Free Dog Treats. Baked with real pork and antioxidant-rich blueberries, these treats are made with only the best ingredients. You won't find any artificial flavors, colors, corn, or soy here. Keep a handful in your pocket without leaving smells or stains. They're perfectly sized for all breeds and life stages, ideal for training or just because. With less than 3 calories each, these are ideal for frequent rewards or a guilt-free snack. They're also perfectly sized for treat dispensing toys. Enjoy a simple, grain-free recipe with a dose of fun for a delicious experience. The light crunch is something dogs simply love. For over 25 years, our family-owned company has been celebrating the friendships between people and pets. These are made in the USA with trusted ingredients. What we like? If you are looking for a training treat that won't add extra calories, these are perfect. They are small, don't leave a smell or stain, and are less than 3 calories each. If you need a convenient treat for frequent rewards or training sessions, consider these. What people say. Grain-free and limited ingredient formula is great for dogs with sensitivities. My dog loves the taste and texture of these treats. The treats are made with high-quality ingredients and are a healthy option for my dog. Number 3. Merrick Power Bites Real Turducken Recipe. Introducing our delicious new dog treats, made with real turkey as the first ingredient. They offer a flavorful and wholesome snack your dog will love. These treats are crafted with a grain-free recipe, free from corn, soy, and wheat. We never use artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives, ensuring a natural goodness. Designed as soft, star-shaped bites, they are suitable for dogs of all breeds and sizes. They make a versatile snack for any canine companion. Whether it's an everyday snack or a reward during training, these healthy treats are perfect for any moment. They are designed to be easily digestible. Proudly made in the USA, each pouch is resealable to maintain freshness. They are always ready for your dog's next adventure. What we like? If you have a dog that prefers a softer treat, these are an excellent option. They are made with real turkey as the first ingredient and have a soft, chewy texture. If you are looking for a versatile treat for training or just a quick snack, these are a great pick. What people say. The grain-free dog treat is a great option for dogs with sensitive stomachs. My dog loves the taste of these grain-free treats and they are easy to digest. These grain-free treats are made with high-quality ingredients and are a healthy choice for your dog. Number 2. Cloud Star Wag More Bark Less Dog Treats. Does your dog crave the delicious taste and aroma of natural peanut butter and apples? These crunchy biscuits deliver exactly that, making them a favorite for any pup. Crafted with just 9 simple, natural ingredients, you can trust what you're giving your furry friend. It includes real peanut butter, apples, and flaxseed for wholesome goodness. Made with limited ingredients and minimal processing, each treat is baked to perfection in the USA. They are gently mixed, adorably shaped, and produced in small batches. With only 27 calories per treat, you can reward your dog generously without worry. These irresistible, guilt-free indulgences are perfect for dogs of all breeds and ages. These scrumptious baked cookies are made with only the best ingredients for your best friend. They contain no corn, soy, wheat, animal byproducts, or artificial additives. What we like. If your dog loves the classic combination of peanut butter and apples, they will adore these crunchy biscuits. They are made with only 9 simple, natural ingredients and are oven-baked in the USA. If you are looking for a guilt-free indulgence for your furry friend, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. Grain-free and limited ingredient formula is great for dogs with sensitive stomachs. My dog absolutely loves the taste and texture of these treats. The treats are made with high-quality, natural ingredients. Number 1. Himalayan Dog Chew Original Yak Cheese Dog Chews. Discover the ancient Himalayan recipe for a truly special dog chew. Handcrafted by artisans using time-honored techniques, it's a taste of tradition for your furry friend. Crafted from just pasteurized yak and cow's milk, this is a naturally nutritious treat. It contains no binding agents, preservatives, or additives, making it gentle even for sensitive stomachs. Keep your dog entertained for hours with this durable chew. It's designed to satisfy even the most enthusiastic chewers, providing a rewarding and engaging experience. Unlike rawhide or bully sticks, this chew is easily digestible. It's free from lactose, grains, and gluten, ensuring a healthy and safe option for dogs of all kinds. This original cheese flavor comes in a convenient 3-count pack, ideal for dogs up to 65 pounds. It's a wholesome and satisfying snack they'll absolutely love. What we like. If you have a dog that loves to chew, this is the ultimate treat. It's a long-lasting chew made from 100% natural yak cheese, providing hours of entertainment. If you are looking for a healthy, safe, and digestible alternative to rawhide, this is the perfect option. What people say. These treats are grain-free, which is great for dogs with sensitivities. My dog absolutely loves the taste of these treats, and they don't upset his stomach. The ingredients are all natural and healthy, making them a guilt-free option for my furry friend. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.